I get why you think I did this. But I'm the last person on earth who needs to cheat. Ask anyone.
You're going further than your mom and I ever could. You're going to accomplish big, big things.
I think you deserve the chance to make whatever kind of future you want for yourself. No matter what the rules say.
Lynn will be first in our family to go to college. We know this is the best place for getting into top-tier schools.
There's no way we can afford $50K a year. You can attend for free. I'll have a real chance at getting an audition at Juilliard now. That food smells foul.
Lynn, I am so sorry I'm late.
Who are you?
I'm Grace.
Your new school ambassador?
You're basically smarter than every student. What if you tutored me?
You may begin.
She's my friend. Why wouldn't I help my friend?
This is
Lynn.
I'm just guessing money's pretty tight right now. Everything is a transaction.
The rich kids get great scores, we get paid.
Everyone wins.
What if we made our own code from music?
I paid for piano lessons. Since when is that illegal?
I don't know how you're doing it, and I don't care. I just need to get him into Columbia.
Cheating is impossible. It's the Fort Knox of tests. You just haven't put your big brain to it. I'll need help.
no one can do what you do.
The only way to beat a rigged game is to outmaneuver it.
This is a first-class ticket to your future.
It's always the ones with the most to lose who suffer.
So what's my cut?
150 grand.
What do you think's gonna happen if I get caught? We can't quit now.
This is what you do with the future.
Open this door now.